back to my channel. So for today we will be doing a review. I just got back from Walmart and I'm pretty excited. Now, forgive me, I did open the box, but when I opened the box I was like, you didn't show your YouTube family what you got, so sis, don't be trying to finish opening the box. So let me pull it out for you. Now this actually is a vacuum. It's been out for a couple of years now, but when I saw it in when I saw it in Walmart, I was like, let me check it out. It was 30 bucks. So this is it right here. The Turbo Vac, can y'all see that? So it's 3-in-1 Turbo Vac. It says removable motorized floor nozzle, powerful, convenient, and easy to use. Easily converts to a hand vacuum. Let me turn the box around. Okay. So we will be putting it to a test to see if it really is that powerful. But for 30 bucks, I said, why not? Let me go ahead and try it. So I figured I will unbox this with y'all. So let's go ahead and start. So it did come with, bear with me. Let's bring out everything. Still in the box. So this is it right here. So this part right here is the floor part and the handle. So which basically makes it seem as like a 1, 2, 3 to put together. So I'm gonna take this out. Head right here, as you can see, I'm going to use, for lack of better words, like the little bristles right here at the bottom. Right here, give you like flexible action. All right, so let's take this part out with the plastic. Excuse me, it has a little filter inside. Okay, the on and off switch is right here. All right, so as you can see, and you put the handle inside. So as it said, basically you can use it like this, like if you're using it on your sofa or pillows or whatever else you want to clean up really quick, you can use it just like this. Or if you want to use it and you want to do your floor, you just insert this piece. See, snapped already in place. And now I'm going to put the bottom piece on. Oh, literally 3 clicks, it was in. 1 here, 2 here, 1 here. I said 2. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I literally went to Walmart. I saw it there. I was actually going for a steamer, and I still will be getting the steamer. But I did see this one. I said, let me try this out, and then I'll do another video on the steamer because I didn't get it. I'm going to go back and get another one. Get one, I should say. And so this is it. So now I'm going to test it on the rug. I'm going to test it on the rug, and I'm going to test it on my floor, and let's just see how it goes. For $30, I don't have any complaints, as you saw. So on my floor, I really didn't have much trash. It did need to be mopped, but I didn't have much trash. So I kind of like swept up some trash to really dust or dirt, whatever, so y'all can really get the full effect of the vacuum of it going over it. Now my rug, on the other hand, it was dusty. It did need to be vacuum swept, whatever, and then still need to be washed. But as you can see, it glided right through the vacuum. It's glided right through my rug. It really needed to be cleaned. And it actually works really well. So honestly, out of 5 stars, I would give it a 5. Okay, definitely for the price. It does do what it needs to do. I don't have any complaints. I like the fact that you can take off the handle if I don't want to do it. Take off the bottom part. Also use it if you want to do like small little areas, which is great for, like I said, your sofa. If you want to do your sofa, if you want to do certain parts on your bed, anything you want to use a little handheld part for. And on top of that, it's extremely lightweight. It's not heavy. You know, with most vacuums, it's like, you got to kind of lug it. With this one, it's really 1, 2, 3. It does have the little wheels at the bottom for you to go ahead and like roll it around, which makes it really good. It does have the little, I keep saying little. It does have a hook in the back for you to hang the wires on. And like I said, it's extremely lightweight. So if it was up to me and you're going by my judgment, definitely go ahead and get it. If you see it for $30, $20, whatever it is, it's definitely something that's great that will help you with your cleaning. Okay, if you're a cleaning mama, cleaning dada, whatever it is, it'll definitely help you with your cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I will see you guys next time on To Make It an Entrepreneur. Peace, guys.